Hi, this is Dr. Yogesh Bhoki. Today, we will learn how to select products, objects, peoples, animals, and more with a single click using the powerful and improved Select Subject command in Photoshop. The main way to open Select Subject is by going up to the Select menu in the menu bar and choose the subject. And the second option is Options bar. If the object selection tool, the quick selection tool or the magic wand tool is active in the toolbar, then you will find a select subject button in the options bar. The select subject button is also found in the properties panel whenever a standard pixel layer is active in the layers panel. Select subject can be accessed from within the Photoshop select and mask workspace. Select subject command is fully automatic. Select subject by going up to the select menu in the menu bar and choose the subject. Photoshop analyzes the image looking for a main subject, and after a few seconds a selection outline appears. You can also toggle quick mask on and off by pressing the letter Q on your keyboard. In quick mask mode, a red overlay fills the area outside the selection, making it easy to see that select subject had no trouble isolating the figure from the rest of the photo. In the same way, we can select the sky in this picture.